What's going on today, guys? This is all in day 3. We're just going to be going over today's price action. So what I was looking at here was all these lows down here, and this previous day low. We had previous day high get swept during pre-market right here. So I was looking for shorts ultimately. You can see when it swept that price came down, right? But personally, I didn't see anything that was prompting me to enter, especially with this here, this big fair value gap, this big imbalance here, and my target was down at this low, this London low. I wasn't looking for any longs because I didn't see any hourly or 4-hour manipulation from the downside for me to want to enter long, even though price was in a was in bullish order flow. We did see that at market open, right, or in pre-market, price swept previous day high on both index. Excuse me. But on both index, price did sweep previous day high. And I was looking for shorts, but shorts were very short-lived. And we did get a SMT at these highs. NASDAQ lagging, ES leading to these highs, right? That prompted price to go lower. Not as low as I anticipated, but overall price was pretty choppy during my session, and didn't really prompt me for anything to enter on. Yeah, I mean, other than that, I wasn't seeing much. This could have been good here, now that I'm looking back at it. I kind of got off a little earlier than this, but we see price take out these highs, making an SMT, also making an SMT at these highs as well. And NASDAQ staying below these highs. Alright. Making an SMT, retracing. Into this equilibrium here. Could have entered probably, let's see, this would have been a good entry right here. And we could have targeted those previous lows down here. We would have hit easily, pretty smoothly, but nothing that was screaming out to me, nothing that I really liked. But that is the only thing that I could see that could have been a good entry. Then again, this is me just going back over the previous session, seeing how price actually reacted and how price actually moved. I would say during my trading session, I didn't feel any eagerness to even trade, to be honest, because just seeing this right out of market open, I was like, this is going to be some chop. And it wasn't moving as cleanly as I thought it would move towards my targets down here. But after that, I was kind of like probably around 10:30, 10:40. I was pretty much done and ready to get off. Just the way that this is looking on the 5-minute, that's just disgusting. 15-minute isn't looking any better. And then, we can look at the 1 hour, and the 1 hour has this giant imbalance that I thought would move cleanly through and come down to these lows. But market just did not play out that way. Mainly just been trying to focus on what I've been thinking during and after my trading session, and just trying to see if there's anything that I need to work on within myself, other than within my actual trading or strategy. But because I can sit here and I can backtest all day, and I can backtest my strategy, and I do, but when it comes down to it during a live session, that you can't practice patience backtesting, can't practice some of those habits that you build during live conditions. So but this is me just trying to analyze the inner workings of my mind and how it relates to the chart, what I saw, what I did, what I didn't do. But yeah, anyways guys, let me know if you saw things differently. Let me know if you took a trade or didn't, because personally, this was probably the only good entry, and it was pretty late into market open. But that's just me. So anyways guys, it's been good. See you tomorrow. Peace.